Hi, everybody, it's Adam. And me, Pepe Le Pew. I know, I'm so glad that you're here, Pepe. Guess what? What? Today is I Spy. What? What is that? I Spy is a game where you look, you find something, and then you name the color of the thing you're looking at. I want to play. Good, because guess what? We're going to play. All right. You choose first. Okay. I spy with my little eye something red. Red? Hold on, let me look. I'm looking. Is it the red book? Nope, that is a good guess. There is a red book up there. Keep looking. What do you see that's red? I see something! What do you see? I see the blanket! You're right. Right behind my ear, right there, is something that's red. You got it. I want to play now. Okay, what do you want to choose? I spy something green. Green. Let me look with my eyes. I see an elephant. I see a bear. I'm looking for... I spy something green. Is it Petrie? It is! I see him! He's right by your ear! I know, he's right there. Hi, Petrie. There he is. There's Petrie. Yeah, you found him! Let us play one more time. Okay, for I spy with my little eye. Something blue. Oh, I'm looking. Let me look. I'm looking. Is it a book? Not a book. Is it a picture? No, not a picture. You're doing pretty good, though. Wait, what are you pointing at? Just something that was blue. Oh, I see that little pencil holder. You're right. Right here is a pencil holder, and it's blue. That's what it was. I got to play I Spy. You did. And you can play I Spy at home. So look for something, look for the color, and then you say, I spy with my little eye something, that color. And then you can play with someone. Cool! Everyone have a good day! We will have a good day. Bye, everybody. And have fun playing I Spy.